Hello, in this JavaScript video, I am going to show you the string object. So a normal string variable, you create it like this, I call var1 equals, and I'm going to put hello world. And a string object, slightly different, you do var, obviously you name it whatever you want, I'm going to put a string obj equals new. You need a new keyword for your object and the actual object name, and then some initial data to create it. And I'll just use the same one so you can see a direct comparison between the two roots, a regular variable and a string object. So now if we were to do console.log var1 and put a string obj here, now if we reload, we get hello world, but this, it's got a bit more to it. As you can see, it has all the different, characters in there. It has the length, and we can actually access a lot of these properties. We can access all the properties there. And that's the beauty of using a string object. If you purely just want to contain a string, and potentially that variable might contain another piece of data of a different data type, then you want to use a variable, or even if it's a string, you simply want to display it. That's it, purely as simple as that. Then just use a variable. It takes up less memory and it's easy to write. But if you need something a bit more to be able to manipulate the string object is the way to go. So if we just do string object.length and we run this, so that's a property, not a method in there, we get a value of 11. So we got 5 characters for world, 5 for 11, 5 for hello, and the space is also a valid character as well. Okay, so there's a variety of methods that we can utilize as well. There's like so many, but I'm just going to show you some of the basics. And what I'll do is I'll provide a link where you can see all of the different methods that you can use to manipulate strings. So what we can do is, there is actually one that is very useful, is we can have 2 uppercase. I think you can guess what this particular method does. So this, at this point, returns the uppercase version of whatever's stored inside of it. Let's run it. We get hello world, but it's all uppercase. So if you need an uppercase version, but you might not need it all the time, you can use that method. If you need a lowercase version, I think you can guess what the lowercase version is as well. If you purely need just the actual string itself, just put console.log string obj dot value of. Now if you run it, we get just a pure regular string. So if you do just need the pure string, that is the way to go. And there's a variety of other methods where you can search inside of it. You can use regular expressions. You can have match, replace functions. You can basically check which character is at a particular index, get that character as well. So there's so much functionality around string objects. Like I said, as long as you understand what we've done in this video and how to do it, you'll be good to go. I'll provide a link to the Mozilla Developer Network that shows you all of the different facets of string objects. And if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.